Hello and welcome back. In this video, I would like to give you a brief overview on PowerShell release history. PowerShell was first introduced in 2006 and the first stable release was PowerShell 1.0. PowerShell 1.0 was supported on Windows XP Service Pack 2, Windows Server 2003, Windows Vista, and Windows Server 2008. Now, PowerShell 2.0 was released in 2009 and it was integrated with Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008 R2, which means when you install Windows 7 or Windows Server 2008 R2, it comes as a factory default. You don't have to install it separately. It can also be installed on Windows XP Service Pack 3, Windows Vista Service Pack 1, and Windows Server 2003 Service Pack 2. Now, since the release of PowerShell 2.0, it cannot be downloaded separately. PowerShell comes as a part of a Windows Management Framework, which includes two other components, a WinRM, which is Windows Remote Management, and BITS, which is Background Intelligence Transfer Service. So if you want to download and install any version of PowerShell, just search for the corresponding version of Windows Management Framework. For example, if you want PowerShell 2.0, search and download Windows Management Framework 2.0. PowerShell 3.0 was released in 2012 and it was integrated with Windows 8 and Windows Server 2012. It is also available on Windows 7, Windows Server 2008, and Windows Server 2008 R2 through the Service Pack 1 update. And PowerShell 4.0 was released in 2013 and it was available as default with Windows 8.1 and Windows Server 2012 R2. It is also available on Windows 7 through Service Pack 1 and Windows Server 2008 R2 through Service Pack 1 and Windows Server 2012 through the Windows Management Framework 4.0. And PowerShell 5.0, as we speak right now, is still in the preview version and it is part of Windows Management Framework 5.0 preview. And it can be installed on Windows 7 Service Pack 1 or Windows 8.1 or Windows Server 2008 R2 Service Pack 1 on Windows Server 2012 and also on Windows Server 2012 R2. Being said that, I don't want to bore you anymore with introduction and history, so let's jump right in and do some serious business.